Hello, welcome to our next episode on causes of diabetes. You can check our previous videos if this is your first time of watching this channel. Thirdly, the causes of gestational diabetes. Gestational diabetes occurs when a woman without previously diagnosed diabetes develops high blood sugar levels during pregnancy. It usually arises in the second or third trimester and is primarily related to hormonal changes during pregnancy. Below are the primary causes and risk factors for gestational diabetes. 1. Hormonal changes during pregnancy. Placental hormones. During pregnancy, the placenta produces hormones like human placental lactogen, estrogen, and cortisol that help the baby develop but can also interfere with the body's insulin function. This leads to insulin resistance, where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin. 2. Pre-existing insulin resistance, undiagnosed insulin resistance. Some women may already have a degree of insulin resistance before pregnancy, making it harder for their bodies to compensate for the increased insulin demands during pregnancy. 3. Obesity, excess body fat. Being overweight or obese before pregnancy is a major risk factor for gestational diabetes. Excess fat, particularly around the abdomen, can increase insulin resistance. 4. Age over 25, maternal age. Women who are older than 25, especially those over 35, are at a higher risk of developing gestational diabetes. Before we continue, if you happily enjoy the video so far, hit subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. 5. Family history of diabetes, genetics. A family history of type 2 diabetes or gestational diabetes increases a woman's risk of developing gestational diabetes. 6. Previous gestational diabetes, recurrent condition. Women who had gestational diabetes in a previous pregnancy are at a higher risk of developing it again in future pregnancies. 7. Ethnic background. Higher risk in certain ethnic groups. Women of certain ethnic backgrounds, such as African American, Hispanic, Native American, and Asian, have a higher risk of developing gestational diabetes. 8. Excessive weight gain during pregnancy. Weight gain. Gaining excessive weight during pregnancy can increase the risk of gestational diabetes, especially if the weight gain occurs early in pregnancy. I will still urge you to subscribe to my channel for more health education like this, and thank you for watching. See you for our next episode.